Right, at the moment, second turn, and the game is 3-2 to Jack. You missed a little bit. In my turn, I had 2 Sanguini guards, scored steep striking.
It was there and there.
Shamefully, Dante got splattered by 2 demolished cannons. Evil.
As normal.
Yes, as normal. Right, and then yeah,
The Scout Sentinels went in.
2 Sanguini guards.
Yeah, killed 2 Sanguini Guard in shooting, and then they butted 2 Sanguini Guard. But the Power Fist took 2 off because of squadron rules. They suck. Yep. So I've lost a Executioner and Paskin thing. Harry's lost Dante and
Squad of Sanguini
a squad of Sanguini Guard and the Sanguinary Priest.
I can still win.
So yeah, it's anyone's win at the moment. So yeah, turn 3.
Yep, let's roll.